want to marry, one thing that you should know is to seek God's will. Very important. One of the things that you must know is to seek God's will. And as a matter of fact, not just God's will, God's perfect will. When you read Numbers chapter 22 verse 19, you realize Balak invited Balaam. Omra invited like prophecy for but later on, Balaam went back to God praying again. And then later, Nyankopon catch him and uncle. Okay, Numbers chapter 22, verse 19. God became angry. But Nyankopon catch uncle. But God became angry. Why? It was God. It was not God's perfect will. Permissive will. So you have to wait for Nyankopon said this where you are going is not good. And then because of love, that is why I initially said, love alone cannot guarantee the success of your marriage. There are a lot of external factors that can affect it. Two, don't follow your heart alone. Now worry the person because you love the person, and then ignoring God. You should know that. Let God give you the perfect green light. No matter what. Take God's perfect will. And then God's perfect will, you need wisdom and common sense. That's what I say. We need wisdom and common sense. Again, you should also seek matured counseling and accept critics. Seek matured counseling and accept critics. Yakase na yakase abia panyini gina so ra ohunu no. Akora opa akofa akunya gina so. Ejina fo akade panyini gina fo ba ohunu no. Akora opa akofa akunya gina so ohunu. So where you are going, panyini bi afa hoda anase he knows more than you. So try and make things open. Like let people open up. Tell your pastors, tell your leaders, tell your mother, tell your father. Let him know what is going on. If there is something that you need to talk about, that never be also not uncancel. Seek mature counseling. Even your friends, assembly of though some of the friends and then no one they give bad advice because of something, 1 or 2 reasons, but you cannot say it is the best one. Don't follow your heart too much. Try and take it. Sometimes you see the people around you see things differently from how you are seeing. Just pray to God. Say Nyankopon emma perfect will. Nyankopon kasancho. Let God speak to you. And yet sometimes and your prophet in one say or say kowali wenti. You say kunoni. And then you go and marry the person. Also then Nyankopon kasancho. Are you ready? And and it will do you good. The second thing you must know is you can't go without you can't go into the marriage without character. Says my papa forget it. Okay, Genesis chapter 5 I think Galatians chapter 5 verse 22 to 23 or now. He was talking about the fruit of the spirit, that is love, self-control. If the person cannot control himself now, don't think he said the person they always say it. One thing now, a lot of things are a lot of our youth are making mistakes with it. They tend to realize manwale na obi be wale no manwale na yes me mfim pade no no hwe obi aware ene ni kunu agyan oh ni kunu na wu asako ware second one asaware a woni obi ti a omotie ni die mu bisa say ne mfim pade ne na we eyo mu me nse nyina na it's not like that ne mfim pade na Nyankopon kai no ewo ase kire was for a purpose. And say okay, that's a relationship in Mboawa. Just leave the person. God is interested in who you want to marry. So always be prepare the best person for you. So okay, that's say as there are now by and you're the perfect or you're the best person for me. Leave the person. God is ever ready to give you the best one. Be always ready to leave it. Let the person go and go for the best. Sometimes when you say you are not going to get anybody else. No, who am I going to marry? But then I'm assuring you, God is interested in who you want to marry. So He will always prepare a best person for you. It's very important. It's very, very important. You should know that. God is ever interested in who you want to marry. So He will always prepare the best one for you. It is all kind of imagine Obama on anything. The player was you see, be ready. Be ready to move on. Nyakopon word me papa e de man. Ebema the move to me fuana abo. You see, some things be on you must know. You must know. You must know. One thing I skipped, the person be talking about, marry someone you say your faith with. You share your religion with. Sometimes it's not always so, but it's advisable. You marry someone only because we are going to bring forth children. Let me bring Montia say only Muslim Christian. You see, always be some issues we believe in it, we believe say so try to get someone. It's not always so. This one I'm saying is not always so, but it's always a good advice. Marry someone you share the belief with. It will help. Get someone you share your faith with. It will help. Don't go into a relationship without looking at the character. I know they are very important to me. Don't go into the relationship without knowing the best from that person as in terms of character. Try and make sure say you look for the best as in character. Obia not perfect there, but is the person ready to change? Change. Character is a habit, something that the person has been doing for years, but is it ready? Even the person is he ready to change? What he says at the end of the person accept say at the end of is he ready to change? Open more. So is he ready? Is he doing something about it? If not, I think you should think twice. You should think twice. How the person responds to issues. How the person help others. It helps you to know the person you are going out with, and then how the person is so matured. We'll talk about that. But all these things, the character are very important. Get someone who is ever ready to develop you. You have your visions, also with the visions. Get someone who is ready to develop you to reach your target in life. Enye bema me ware na ma paki wasi baby you let me no. Get someone and if an person do in life, is he the person ready to help you get there? Person go school, person see man, person what do you want to do? Is the person ready to help you? Get someone and as soon as I will be free in the hobano, you feel like wow, my catch in your life, I have to move on. Who encourages you, who advises you, who always want you to be on point. And not someone who humanize you. You feel like, hey, he don't treat you well. And then he wants you to do the unknown person. Someone who will develop you. Who now also power and yes, encourage you. He will push you to get to your standard, your God-given standard. He will push you to get there. It's very important. You cannot go, as I've been talking about character, that is the inner beauty. You cannot go without the outside beauty. Also. Get someone who you are physically attracted. Get someone you are physically attracted to. Physically, no. Apart from saying, a step, no. You cannot choose the physical no character. It's what your character and look, I said the person. Am I physically attracted to the person? Is the person so nice? Wow. How was this simple crano? Who is saying? So I say, one more there, we feel like running away. One more you feel like, hey, say no, if it free in general compare, you feel like, let me go back to this person. Ha, gay dear. Wow. But you should consider these things. You must make sure say, what either one answer. Hey, obi one man opedie e chire ni so pa me kan so te ase. But obi penisa. Obi hu de na chi so kra o. Yes, obi akono de no dey. Odumpo so. So get the person you are attracted to. Get the open. Enye de obi say. Only pakro you feel like say una we are ready say obetimi na chire amafofo say this is the bone of my bone, this is the flesh of my flesh. Get someone who you are physically attracted to, because say the 24 hours 301 forever and ever you will be on other sorry, and he is the first person you will see. Oh God, he is the last person you will see. And even in your dreams, you'll be there. Obefie, ora hona obefie no animwe ya na baba be. Wani aje no animwe ya na animwe ya na baba be. Wani ji obufu dede animwe ya na baba be. So it's very important you take note of that. I want to talk about this. Get someone. Or say, come last verse now of the quotation. Or say they were both naked, but they were not ashamed. Think the Oba former I think or say they were both naked, but they were not ashamed. Are you ashamed of my nakedness? Will you be okay with my nakedness? And just send me nakedness, say physical nakedness, my past. Are you okay with it? Are you okay with whatever me and never be a cause for my life, me secret? Although our advice is say, and yes, biana say What's a catcher or bearman? Say, Busawa, and I say, Busa, you should not be that. So, Busa, there, don't lie because I didn't be over catching the piano. Definitely, it will come. Don't ever lie to a man, don't ever lie to a woman. So, Busa, there, tell the person the truth. Is he ready to accept you for who you are? Open up. Communication. Let the person know that this is me. Open up. Don't lie. Don't hide anything. Is he ready with it? This is me. Say, now me, I'm wakoya abortion be Daniel the idea. Obusa wodia make us say be a never be an also can. But so Obusa will not don't lie. Accept. Catch him. This is what has gone on. This is what went wrong. When the course one is he ready to accept it? If not, Mami, run for your life. Open up. They were both ashamed. They were both naked, but they were not ashamed. Are you ready to accept my nakedness? Are you ready to accept my flaws? Are you ready to accept whatever? Make a show. Forever and ever. So that do us part. Are you ready? Very, very important. Get someone you mentally agree with. There are some people who are, hey, Opa, go through bad form, or might be in your bed. They always quarrel. Especially when you look at the person's temperament and this and that, you see those people they cannot. Sometimes you see that this person there, this woman with there. In fact, I will not. Sometimes it means I don't know how to express it, but you see, say I'm people with there. But then I change your pay. I said, "Bia, once I said, Bia, you can't over it. I said, Bia, I said, I said, Bia, to me for a if you are with such a person, be very, very careful. But be very, very careful. Always go for the best. Be very, very careful. Get someone you mentally agree. Though and to cover near their day, but get someone who did say you mentally agree with it. After all, hotness? Are we able to come back to a very good conclusion? Those things are very important. They are very important. Get someone who is matured in marriage, matured in finances, matured physically, matured spiritually, matured. Obi onoma sikasem oye matured pa school near the identity onim how we sikura the sika, but he is not matured. Say as in the bam our cry is not matured. You don't understand even reading about it. I was on about now, and then you don't know anything about that. But those people who know more, they obia but get someone who is like matured in any aspect. I'm not saying the person must be perfect, but you see this person, you say, oh, like he's so matured. Like he understands what he's doing. He knows when I'm wrong. He knows how to correct things. He knows when to apologize. He knows when to do this. He knows when to advise. He knows when to punish. He knows when to be disciplined. He's so disciplined. It's very, very important. Someone who can create me put me on my toes. Like give me the right path. Give me the right path. Always giving me the right path. It's very important. Note that. Get someone who is matured, because if you don't get it, don't ever marry someone out of sympathy. Maybe a man, maybe na woni mema yɛ pɛ me na ayi my minister we kura na ɔpɛ me yɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ bi a they will always keep on proposing. Ɔbaa koraa yɛ so wɔ hɔ no na bɛyɛ sɛ 1 month obiara ma obiara koraa nsɛ ɔpɛ a check yourself well, but there are some people who are ever ready. So wanyɛ waware awie no maka sɛ ayi okura ahomoburo bi na menya wuti na no, don't marry anyone wompɛ na mɛmpɛ no ɛnwale obi te sɛ ayi okura ahomoburo bi first na me wɔ school nti na ahwɛ me nti na ebia before mɛware o is ɔbɛma no ayi meware firi sɛ uni ma obi ahyɛ wo. I'm marrying you because me person me show na opu osika afa kɔtwudwe so yɛ nware ɔbaa sɛ yɛbɛnyɛn no na ɔbɛtete no. Don't marry out of the person out of say mehu ne mmɔbɔ na mekora me kɔfaa no na ne maame ne papa nyina wu na mehu ne mmɔbɔ na mekɔfaa no. Don't marry anybody and don't marry as I say ntu akorɔ no ayi wapɛ me koraa akyɛ no you see and I say ne ho yɛ mmɔbɔ like I feel like ne ho yɛ me mmɔbɔ ɛnɛma bebree ne bɛtumi ama na ayɛ ho ayɛ mmɔbɔ but don't marry the person out of that saying na ɛno nti na mehu ne mmɔbɔ koraa na ɛyɛ kasa a wɔsɛ wɔpepa koraa firi wa no ɛɛtan koraa. You see, one thing I want you to also know that when a bema nanti ache, the person is not proposing. Which means a bema we onye ready for me. Obi wakwa na wan say opeda. Now you are the closest. Best 5 years, 6 years, even some people 10 years. Na only you closest. Oba the bema. It drives people. It drives the most important, the most serious people away from you. So only they nanti 1 or 2 now say, and sometimes to go say later no, obanbe and they are falling in love with the person. Now later on go say be man and then na obana there are a lot of people have cancelled and a lot of people I know what I'm talking about. So only they nanti now who say this intimacy is not ending up anywhere. Must space kakra. Send the right people can come your way. Must space kakra. Send the right people can come your way. It is you end up yourself wasting a lot of your time on someone who is not ready for you. If you realize the person is not ready for you, just let the person go. Yes, but there should be space. Send a way the most wanted people can come around. Adeɛ baako a ɛpam Nyankopɔn efiri awareɛ mu ne sɛ wobɛyɛ deɛ wopɛ. Ebi a wayɛ mfomsoɔ ne da, but sere Nyankopɔn sɛ ɔmfa nkyɛw. Try as much as possible to avoid fornication in marriage. Before you marry, try as much as possible to avoid fornication. Don't allow a conducive environment for fornication. Obayi, only the shed them kune obi edi ho matutunu because I'm saying chemistry. More intended some by you, by the chemistry is working. The reaction. Body no be firewood. You see the reaction. Oh, my men son sakakre. Oh, my men metina unchen kakre. My men son sa bumwana osane nam nensan kakra na afi. Oh, if you say me mensa so go to you kakra na e basro kakra. Obehu abetu ani na wonsa hye baby ani kwan so hye. And then later on you realize you say, oh my God, what have I done to myself? Oh God, forgive me. You always be pleading. So when I dream Sacharaya, you always be asking for forgiveness because you will always be there. It's very, very important. and you drive God away from the relationship, you drive God away from the marriage without you knowing. To go and say, but why you crying and then couple crowd up from the flower lady cry. So why you be a super young couple so far upon a child, not once a sunny, but such a you that is starting with a new life. It's very important. Adeɛ baako a ɛde obuo ɛba awareɛ mu ɛmamanfo bu mu as couples, as a family, is money, cash, money. If money is not in the relationship, hey, happiness, there will be a problem. Small, either small problem or a big problem. Money is important. Money is important in the relationship. So try as much as possible to get someone who is hardworking. If as you are hardworking, get someone also who is hardworking to work and get money for the family. And now get someone who is hardworking to help you. Remember, I've talked about help, support. Get someone who is hardworking. Hey, sister Kununi, sister Winini, and then obey what to be kakra, one geniality. Hey, I'll be Buffy I say me to Abusia or Buffina, they can count on you, you can help. I feel who Abusia. Hey, Abusia Penny Tenassi. Abusia Penny in one of Tenassi or blah, Tenassi. Then you are bringing respect not to yourself alone, but to the family. Who gets no crime and they respect them. Now did they be able to be say somebody maybe and then so get someone who can command respect for the family through money, financially, hardworking. Get someone who is hardworking. What is the person doing? Juma ben oye. Make us say Juma be near Juma, but a Juma go on man says a free Nisa no Juma way, then no wait me aye. O was San Juma, or then no ye. A Juma go on which will be an store no now. You see, say Stony Gua, and I said, where is where you going? Try to get complete a crowd. Let the person and never force your computers, never for yes, say this, don't force your typewriting, this and get something. Let the person get something doing. Don't just go in for anybody like that. Make us say, or probably one yano or the second day, but then get someone who you think is having the vision, who is hardworking, who is ready to push, who is ready to do it, who is ready to succeed. Learn how to adapt to the situation. You know, you are coming from different background. Ufi boko, free and can yet it's different. How we live our life is different. Yet we are different. Yes, you cry no different. How we live our lives, how is it grow, how is it I didn't know different. But we are coming together to make a very meaningful life. So get someone who is ready to adapt to any situation. Hey, what did you my baby and get someone who is ready to adapt to it. Even learning how to adapt, learning how to eat your wife's food is very important. How am I missing young and cutting quine? How are we rebellion and cutting quine? Learn how to adapt. Ebiana pensu shefa enso ko wali ukuru ni kettle, ukuru ni heater. Tika se bebiana in tuto yesa. Learn how to adapt. Ebiana de use gas cooker. Owari ukuru onye scanto gas cooker. Cohort number start is learn how to adapt. Obema, never be free. We didn't aduane no ebia na nhyɛ da nyɛ that said o ma me deɛ no, but learn how to adapt. If possible, na so betimi akyɛ ni bibia na betimi e ma so be ready to adapt and learn. Sia. You ready so be sua deɛ. What will I do that will make my husband happy? What will I do that will make my wife happy? Learn. And then I look paper. Me ebia me say it way there. Me ebia occasion bi na talk flowers every me. Ebia maninje. Auto chocolate every me ebia maninje. But ebia auto book every me mani beje pa. Ebia o mo misika mani beje pa. Learn. Make kasemiu but obia wo de ope. Learn. Ode de bia ebia wako wale obi ukunu no unta be fufu no ukunu no be fufu no. Learn how to adapt to that situation. Ope fufu pa, learn how to adapt. Ebia ukunu ope cake ope fufu ope cake. Learn. Sua. It will help. Learn how to adapt to situations and then put things right. It will help. Do what will make your husband happy. Do what will make your wife happy. Always make sure the smiles of your husband, the smiles of your wife is your priority. Always put smiles on the person's face. Let the person always know that wow, he's the best person on earth. He's the best person on earth. Even my person who say same person here woo akwaba. Yes, I see some before ba fofra ba be faw. Ese ma be fa be ma fofra ba be faw. That will make the home. That will bring happiness to the home. A very, very important. Don't ever pretend. Be who you are. Avoid pretenders. Apostle Big James. Don't pretending to see that. Be who you are. Be who you are. I didn't be able to ask from the other. Who this car? Manihunu. And behind car, and that came. Now later on, he realized, hey, go say no dia. Hey, me papa na be fear you. Me papa, every kwana say oh ya garden boy. Every kwa papa na kwa na ati wa hwehwe ga kra na ya me papa na be fear you. De. Na o twa trona na oba ne ho akwa ko disa afobambo ni. Hey, I'm secured here. And later I realized that it is false. Don't pretend. Be who you are. Let the person know I'm not having. Let the person know I'm having. And yes, I'm not having alone. My best, my body will say, have it. Don't pretend. Let the person know. Be who you are. Protect your lady. Protect your man as much as you can. Protect the person as much as you can. Hey, met story be medije pa. I don't know say unim dia ba unima me ka kire say be ma no onim se na wo yire no aduane pa. Yire no aduane no na okoye na akofa na nafo say umura na kofie me yira yen katenkwan yen kodi na omukoduru fie ona. Unfortunately the day no Jesus Christ yire no ejine nsem enchine atwa nkwan yim. What did you from say? Obama adi nkwan na busu waka numu yifufu na to ama say bibia on kana no hwe a enchine ni Jesus Christ akoko so abafie. Do you know what the man did? He just akosia Mr. Umre mentioned as I don't want to crowd as an engineer and team. Now, gaze, what's your kitchen? Let me put them away. Engineer tell me. Or Jana or Sanchez was one son or Sabun coin. Again, to say, yes, oh, terminate. No more can also obey a day to obey. I could see Uchini open Chinipa. I could see open Chinipa. Made a grow with immediate chin, not media and legend in media. Me go, me penchinipa, many chinity, a idea me, mamma meditate, a chinity, a pepper. Wow. And coin no more because I could see and then the coin dear and chinny. What Jim won a man? What chess I don't pay. Hey, what baby feel me did I bet you up? I'm saying pension, honestly. Protect your lady. Protect the lady. Only obey me up a year of group. With himself. And to come back, you can bad dear. And to quay a young queen. O ship down Bema on the Cocuya Betty and the Ukunu or Babukunu. Oba and when I say, oh, Mura, how for the son with you? I will say, ya, and Tintin to say, ya, no, Motier. Bessinian caught me few, say, she me free home. She me free home, when you answer to me free home, because I make a poor Kaida on Topa. But if you want to mean to me, what's a me ever remember myself, baby, and I'm young, meaning second on there, and then make Oba di nyansa upon the kurukubai. Oba di nyansa upon the kurukubai. Oba must di nyansa upon the kurukubai. Protect your woman. Let your woman be your number one fan. A bread pagina panel, you should be there for her. A bread memory in a pound, and I said, enough for a good animal. Hey, Akosia, no, you are the best. You are still my best. I'll be there for you. Manu will say you say because of you we live. You understand me? For Winyansa, the book for Winyansa, the boy you know. And yet, Tama, Malfoy, now 2 months more goodness, no one else who can be a tiano. I, Okra, no. She be free ho. Bono ho ban. Fane ko. Jina nechi. Na se wo nu ko jina dem ma. Akosia ade a ye die. I try you ka ye ni say ya next time ye ni say. Sa na ye. Na nye ni padom ni mu e na ko kasa. Gege. Ho ban. Boni pai ho yero ho ban. Se nipa umpo kasetia na abotin so fo nye dey utimi gina bontin ti ukunatem utimi gina bontin ti uyiratem abotin so fo nye dey. Do your best to protect the woman and note that every relationship it will end up in marriage. Nyankopon emani kuduru sa asidama no but se duru sa asidama no ne pompae sufi Nyankopon se omma ode wa koma pe Nyankopon eni jemo ne Nyankopon be ma emfa wa ho ode anase where your strength is etisi odiada emma wale ne say do your best. But say pan say our and that's a relationship in break here. Be ready to let it go and pray to God. If it is God's will, Nyankopon enu so enu de ma. Nyankopon yakasa bebre. Nyankopon enhira ya asemi so. Ogugu sunsu de wonti ase Nyankopon no church don't put you to the right path. in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen.